Let's take a look at a mind map of the analytical research, paper writing, and team development. You'll be working as a group, which means you're going to have to hold each other accountable for follow-through. Utilize video and audio, text and email communication. Manage your time well, and someone has to be the work lead, a self-identified within your group leader. Visuals are really important in business communication. I think you all probably get that they have to be easy, they have to appeal to the eye, and as you know, business folk love tables with bullet points. The teamwork, you know, you're going to have to solve problems, you're going to have to listen to one another and discuss things. You all have worked on both successful and unsuccessful teams, and I encourage you at the offset to have an open discussion around what has gone right and wrong, either in teams at Fort Hays State or at the office. For writing, I would encourage you to use Grammarly. I use it myself. I would encourage you to provide feedback to one another, and that you should review it together, so that the worst possible thing is everybody writes a section and they don't plug together. I hope I've covered this in the directions for your papers.